We will guide you through how to change color in Photoshop using Magic Wand. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Adobe Photoshop. Open the image containing the color you want to change, then allow the picture and any existing layers to appear completely. Select the Magic Wand tool from the toolbar. Click directly on the color area you want to select, choosing a clear section that represents the shade you intend to replace. Adjust the tolerance value in the options bar if necessary, using a lower value to select colors that closely match your sample or a higher value to include a wider range of similar shades. Hold the Shift key and click any additional color areas that were not included in the first selection, repeating this until all required sections are active. Inspect the moving selection border carefully and confirm that the correct areas are selected without including unrelated parts of the image. Open the Layers panel on the right side of the workspace, or choose Layers from the window menu if the panel is hidden. Click the new adjustment layer icon at the bottom of the panel, which looks like a circle divided into light and dark halves. Select Hue and Saturation so Photoshop creates an adjustment layer and uses the active selection as its mask. Move the Hue slider slowly to change the selected color while watching the result update on the canvas. Adjust the Saturation slider to make the new color more intense or more muted, depending on the appearance you want. Adjust the Lightness slider if necessary to brighten or darken the recolored area while preserving its texture, shadows, and highlights. Zoom in and check the edges and overall result for missed pixels, rough transitions, or color changes outside the intended area. When the result looks clean and natural, save the editable project as a PSD file or export the finished image in your preferred format.